Welcome back. This is Chili Davis, and I'm back to another video. I want to welcome back all my subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. This is the channel where we talk about my top stocks. We also tend to talk about crypto from time to time. So if you're new, please click the subscribe button to get my frequent updates. Okay, so I'm looking at my Instagram today, and we see that banks are up. RF or Regions Financial is up 3.70%. Visa is up 2%. Bank of America, ticker symbol BAC, is up 2.43%. And COF, Capital One Financial, is up 2.75%. So the banks and some of the credit cards are up pre the Fed's decision. So the Fed will be raising interest rates this week. Says market has no doubt the Fed will enact a 0.25% point or 25 basis point this meeting because the central bank generally doesn't like to surprise the market. So Jerome Powell and the rest of the Fed chair will be raising interest rates this week. So what does that mean for me and you? That means the price of taking out a car loan or home loan will go up. It won't go up immediately, but within the coming weeks, if you were applying for a mortgage and you were getting it at a 2.75, you'll probably be getting it at 3.25%, either a 0.25% more. Okay, so the Fed will meet this week. The Federal Reserve will meet this week and discuss raising the interest rates. Also, that means the bank pays for more for the money between each other, and that also plays a role. Now, it comes at a very difficult time because we have inflation. Not only do we have the interest rates going up, we also have inflation. And one of the items that we've seen in inflation is gas prices. So Wall Street economists expect the new inflation outlook to bump up the full year estimate to be about 4%, are expected to move from December's respective 2.3 and 2.1%. Okay. So that's basically the news as the Fed reduces its balance sheet, puts more bonds back on the market. The cost of doing business will go up. We kind of knew this was coming, but interest rates are going up this week. Okay, so let me take a quick look at my portfolio just to see if there were any top stocks. The Robinhood was down 3.51%. We had ticker symbol DLTR. Dollar Tree was up 2.91%. We had PFE or Pfizer was up 4.44%. And let's see. We had the SQQ up 4.49%. So those were three stocks that were up today. Basically on the day that it was the banks. The banks made out good on the eve of interest rate hikes. Interest rate hikes are coming. So this is on the eve of that. And so the banks, credit cards, shares are rising higher. Okay. Interesting article. Benzinga reports Netflix says no to ad-supported tier for now. Okay. We know Netflix shares have been down over 30% over the last few months, but they're saying no to an ad-supported tier. I believe Disney is coming out. The Disney streaming service is coming out with an ad-supported tier version. Okay, so every streaming company is trying to come out with a new version to work in this market of, I guess, what you call a crowded market of streaming services. You have Netflix, you have Hulu, you have Peacock. I mean, pick your choice, HBO Max. So some are deciding to come up with in between, not give you ads all the time, but if you pay more, you'll not have ads in most cases, okay? Over to the other portfolio. Again, like you saw my Instagram, the top stock of the day was Regis Financial, was up 3.70%. And again, I don't have a large position in the banks, but I do own a couple of banks because they do pay dividends, okay? So Regis Financial is a bank out of the South, and they were up today 3.70%. Next ticker symbol, Visa. Visa was up 2% on the day. Again, people are traveling again, but better than that, the interest rates are being raised by the central bank. BAC, Bank of America, is up 2.58%. COF, or Capital One, is up 2.75%. And around this group out, about the same. American Express is up 2.93%. So those were the top stocks of the day. Regis Financial, Bank of America, Capital One Financial, and I believe Regis Financial paid dividend, Visa, Bank of America, and I think COF does too. So those are great stocks to own. Let's take a quick look at the graph. Okay, so Regis Financial does pay 2.99%. And if we look at it, they were down over the last month, over 10%. But now that we have the news that they will raise interest rates, as you can see, they've had a steadily increase over the last 6 months. And if we look at over the last year, they've been up a little bit as well. But coming out of the pandemic, you can see back when I started buying it, let's see here. I started buying it back here in 2020 at $13 per share. I basically doubled my money in Regis Financial. Okay, so I'm doing pretty well. Regis Financial, you'll see the same with Bank of America stock as well. Up 9% over the last year. And if we look at the graph again, didn't get hit as bad during the pandemic, but since the pandemic, it is up over 100%. And as well, they pay a dividend. And if you don't know what Visa chart looks like, it's pretty flat. Visa trades at about $200. I think I picked it up for about $120. Okay, back during the pandemic, probably picked it up about here, $190. But again, Visa is a great company to own, and they pay a smaller dividend, 0.75%. So again, sometimes dividend stocks win. And again, this is ahead of the news that the Fed will raise interest rates. The meeting will be tomorrow and Wednesday and Thursday. Of course, the banks are reactive early, but it is what the Fed or Reserve is going to do. Okay, so that is the news. Again, the Robinhood was down again today. A lot of stocks took a hit. Affirm was down a lot today, over 14%. They got hit bad. They could not secure some debt, so they did not secure some debt, so they took a huge drop today. We'll go through the news. See, Affirm. Yeah, Affirm got hit heavy today. So if you're in Affirm, I don't know how much longer I can hold on, but Affirm is down over 15% today. So again, I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Please like, share. If you'd like to get some free stock, please use my Webull link or my Robinhood link. And we'll see you on the next video.